Yeah, go ahead. You got it. Keep going.
Yeah, big
Keep going,
boy.
big boy. Keep going.
Yeah.
Yay, look.
Yeah, big
You
boy.
got it.
You got it. Look at you.
Look at you, Dada. Keep going.
Keep rolling.
Keep going.
Rolling.
Keep going. Yay.
Woo-hoo.
On your bike. That's what I'm talking about.
On the bike.
Quick
Yay.
learning.
There you go.
Please stop. My Dothedashkjs. What's happening, gang? See your boy getting down and dirty. So, driving the car earlier, I heard a little bit of screeching and stuff, so you know what that means. So, check it out. These the old brake pads. There's worn out, you know, getting worn out real bad. Thin, look how thin it is. It should never be like that. Just the back one. Thin, scratched up. So, you know what we got? Good old Brembo joint. So, it's pretty easy. You just gotta open it up, take off the clip, unloosen the two screws. The screws, you just pop them in. You take something small, like something like this. You're gonna take something like this and pop those screws out right there. Pop those screws out right there, and then the whole thing comes off. So just like that. What color, y'all? What color should we do the brakes? Should we do them while we got a little sunlight or what? Should we have some little fun? I think we should. I really think we should. Let's see what we could do, y'all. So look at these brand new bad babies. Brand new bad babies right here. The Brembo. You know, these what they put on the cars that got a little power on them. So it actually tells you, you know, this is the direction it should go, which is that way. So let's try to put them in. This one got like a screw. This one got like a section back here, like a clip. Let me see what that's about in a minute. Hold on, gang. This one got a clip right here, so hold on. Check it out, who I got. I ain't gonna get my baby, bro. I ain't gonna do you like that, gang. But look who I got helping me. Hey, Lon. Say hey. So we got this one done over here. But you know what Brembo did, man? I just noticed this. So I got it real excited, right? I got a sticker, right? One sticker, right? One sticker. It's gonna be the thumbnail. One sticker for two goddamn calibers. And it's supposed to go just like this. So y'all let me know, man. Should I just order another one of these, or where do I get these from? Where do I get these stickers from? As I'm thinking about doing the calibers while I'm down here, while I'm doing this, just to make it fun. It's gonna match the red AEM V2 intake and the little red OEM engine cover and stuff. Just red accents. And don't forget, it's gonna match the red decal we got right here for the channel. Then I'll do the backs later, but the front's gonna pop. So we about to do this one, knock this one out, and then we're gonna get to it. Getting to it, gang. We're losing a little bit of sunlight, but it's still nice out. It's still nice out. Getting to it, gang.
You like French fries? Yeah. Tell me why
You like French fries?
Tell me why Travis got.
So we getting a special color. Scoot back a little bit. Yeah. So we getting a special color for the Brembo caliber. So we taking off the old Acura. You're gonna see her sad to go. I already degreased it and everything.
Daddy.
Already degreased
Daddy.
it. Yes.
Dad.
What you want?
Dad.
What's that? That's a socket set. Yeah. I already did the other side. But look.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah.
Dad.
Mhm.
How much?
Oh, she gone fast. And this is like, I don't know, 300 grit? Nah, this 80 grit. 80 grit I'm using. Shave it right off. Give it a good sand. Give it a good sand. Sand down. I lubed her up too, so y'all that don't think I ain't lubed it, I lubed it up and stuff. And I'm gonna be making sure I mask off the bleeder screw right here. Make sure I mask that off so I don't paint over it. I got tape. I'm gonna show you what tape oh, here we go. This is the tape I'm gonna use. This is the only tape I got, I think. I might got an extra one, but I'm gonna just use this since it's right here. It's brand new. Yeah.
Walk. You walk. Mama, did you walk? Did you walk?
Yeah.
Did you walk?
Yes.
I eat walk.
It's dirty, but you gotta get off the floor though.
Did you walk? Mama. Eat the walk. Eat the walk.
Give it one last wipe down.
Eat the rock. Eat the rock.
Oh, you said it's a rock? Is that what you
That's
said?
what he's saying. One last wipe down. Enjoy his time.
Mama! Mama, go. Mama, go.
What that mean?
Go.
Let me see the light over here. Yeah.
You're heavy in the way.
Maya.
That's the only thing I got sharp in there.
I thought you was gonna put the plastic on.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I ain't got no stencil now, so I'm using my good old Smith, my M&P knife. Getting the part that I don't want. Put the light over here. Yeah. Well, the whole thing just... Get over here, boy. Pain in the butt.
That's funny because on camera it looks white. Mila.
So I got my little helpers. You get back, cause this is cancer. It's the smoke, but it ain't no smoke. It ain't no break dust. You get back. Get your back. Take a bean. Alright, go ahead, baby. Tape the top. So you already did? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now you gotta do this side. So let me turn the wheel. Hold on. So it could be more directional. I'm gonna turn the wheel, y'all. Teaching her the basics. We're doing brake calibers. Brake calibers 101. Yep, all the way to the bottom. Yep. Yep. Now just to the top, I'm gonna cut it right here anyway. I just need this to be closed. Yeah, that's good. Look at the paint though, y'all. I gotta get this fixed. Still gotta get this fixed, y'all. But the paint busting though. You see the sparkle in this Nighthawk Black Pearl. You stop playing with those, bro. Go ahead, get up there. You want to close the door? Okay. We're gonna let that drop for about 5-10 minutes. We trying to hurry up and do this because we tired and he over there, Mr. Elon, is ready to take a bath. Take a bath. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
E. We know you want E.
This is the last step. Gloss. So this is the last step. This is what's gonna give it that shine. You can get this at AutoZone, I think, or O'Reilly's Duplico. I think I got this from AutoZone. Auto Shop.
I was about to say parts.
Oh yeah, I think it is Auto Parts. Auto Shop. No, it's Auto Parts. Auto Parts. Yeah, it's Auto Parts.
Yeah, what was I about to say?
You was about to say that.
Oh,
You had it right.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bad memory. This is
Red.
he spray painted that. I don't know what that is.
It's the intake.
Oh, yeah.
The intake.
Like the exhaust.
More like the air. It sucks the air into the exhaust.
The exhaust is all the way somewhere.
So what's up, man? So So we all finished up. We got the calipers on. Got the paint glistening. Looking good. Looking good. Y'all catch me on the next one, gang. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We doing what we can do, man. Putting out some more content for y'all. We moving next week, so we actually getting a nicer place. And hopefully I might get a garage too. So y'all stay tuned. I got some stuff tuned for y'all, man. God bless.